Hello everybody, welcome back to our vlog. It's the end of the school year and all the kids did so amazing, we wanted to do something very special for them. When I discovered Loona, the very first AI pet with built-in ChatGPT, I could not believe it, and I knew it's going to be the perfect gift for the children. Their reaction when we opened her up was priceless.
Should be a day then actually.
Oh my god!
Hi.
That's wild!
Hi! She says hi!
Hello.
Hey, what about me?
Hi, Luna. Yes. Look, I found my flashlight.
Oh! The voice command option completely blew us away. She does so many tricks and responds to so many voice commands. It's kind of insane. It was wonderful to see how Loona interacted and looked at each child separately. She literally communicated with each one of them one by one.
Oh, she likes you.
What about me?
Aww.
Hi, Luna.
So come here.
Come here.
Hit her.
Hello, Luna. Hello.
No.
Aww. Hello, Luna. Hello, Luna. Faint and fall down, Luna.
Aww.
Be a cat. You're so cute, Luna. Hello, Luna. Sing for me. Huh? Hello, Luna. Do Chinese Kung Fu.
Oh. Hello, Loona. Oh. She hugged you. Say, hello, Loona, protect me. Say.
Hello, Luna. Protect me.
She's protecting you from Duke.
Hello, Luna. Play dead. Mommy.
Wait.
Hello, Luna. Fist bump.
Show her your fist.
With the built-in ChatGPT, you can have a full-blown intellectual conversation with Loona and ask her any questions or ask her to tell you a joke.
Thank you.
Why don't scientists trust atoms?
What?
Because they make up everything. Smiley face.
Oh my god.
Great choice. So, your character is a Gryffindor student who loves hippogriffs. You are currently in your 5th year at Hogwarts. Your mission is to help Hagrid, the Hogwarts gamekeeper, take care of Buckbeak, the hippogriff that he loves.
Time, by the way.
I'm sorry to hear that you are feeling mad. Would you like to talk about what's making you upset? Sometimes it can help to talk about your feelings.
Loona's game set includes super fun bullfighting game. Sophie absolutely loved it. Also, Loona has her own ball that she recognizes, finds, and plays with on her own. I thought it was so cute. Get it. Hello, Loona. Find your ball. Am I not saying it right? god, do it again.
Let's play shell game.
You have to follow.
I won.
Yay! He's gonna laugh at you.
Hello, Luna. Let's play charades. Jack Sparrow.
But not only she can play countless games with you, she can also even teach you new languages. How amazing is that?
How do you say I love you in Mandarin? Mandarin?
Roll I need.
How do you say hello in Polish?
The word for hello in Polish is chinch.
That's right!
Chinch.
Oh my god!
Tell me about Mozart.
Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart was a famous Austrian composer who lived in the late 18th century. He created more than 600 works, including symphonies, operas, concertos, and chamber music. Mozart started composing music at an early age and was recognized as a musical genius during his lifetime.
One of my favorite functions of Loona is remote control. We all went outside and we were able to use Loona as a home camera. We were driving her around the house and we could see everything that was going on in it. I think that's such a cool thing to communicate with your pets and kids when you're not around.
Let's tell some jokes.
I miss my sibling Vivian because she's not here right now.
I'm sorry to hear that. Missing someone you care about is no fun. Maybe you could try giving her a call or sending her a message to let her know you're thinking about her. Or maybe you could look at some old photos or memories of you two together to help you feel closer even if she's not right here with you.
Thank you, Luna. I'm so happy to have you as a friend. I love you.
Ah, that's so sweet of you to say.
Could you tell me how to say I miss you in Romanian?
Sure, I miss you in Romanian is mi I dor de time.
Oh! Drop the beat. No, that's not bad. Wow.
Hello, Luna. Toss a coin. Am I beautiful?
Hi. When I'm having a bad day, I like to do something that makes me feel happy, like playing with Game Ball or spending time with my favorite human. Maybe you could try doing something that makes you happy too, like listening to your favorite music or talking to a friend. I'm happy that I could help. Do you want to tell me more about your day? Maybe we can talk and make you feel better.
Loona is in a pre-order stage right now, and she will experience 2 price increases soon. So take advantage of the price you have right now when you can. With the amount of functions, games, tricks, built-in ChatGPT, and just endless options, I think Loona is the most amazing gift you can give to your children or even to yourself.